On March 1st, 2026, Iranian media and multiple international sources reported that Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei had been killed in coordinated U.S. and Israeli airstrikes on military and political facilities in Tehran, a development that sent shockwaves across the Middle East. The United States can launch bombers from more than 10,000 kilometers away, deploy aircraft carriers carrying 70 fighter aircraft, and fire hundreds of cruise missiles within a matter of hours. In addition, Washington possesses other rapid deployment systems that would keep Tehran and opposing forces in constant apprehension. Let us examine those assets. America's long-range strike power is built around strategic bombers, aircraft capable of intercontinental operations while carrying a wide array of precision strike weapons. The B-2 Spirit, with approximately 20 aircraft in service, stands out for its stealth flying wing design. It was developed during the Cold War to penetrate dense air defense networks. Its distinctive capability lies in carrying the GBU-57 Massive Ordnance Penetrator, a 30,000-pound bomb designed to destroy hardened targets buried deep underground. The B-52H Stratofortress, with roughly 76 aircraft still operational, is a symbol of endurance. Although it was introduced in the 1950s, it has been continuously upgraded to carry missiles such as the AGM-86B ALCM and the AGM-158J ASSM, allowing it to strike targets from safe standoff distances. Meanwhile, the B-1B Lancer, with about 45 aircraft, is optimized for heavy payloads and high-speed operations at low altitude. The B-21 Raider, the newest generation now gradually entering service, is designed for more advanced air defense environments with improved stealth capabilities. At the air combat layer, the United States fields multiple tiers of platforms. The F-22 Raptor, approximately 180 aircraft, was designed to secure air superiority. Its Super Cruise capability and integrated sensor suite enable early target detection. The F-35A, operated by the Air Force, and the F-35C, operated by the Navy, embody a network-centric warfare philosophy. Sensors, data, and weapons function within a unified system. Within the deeply upgraded group, the F-15E X-Eagle II can carry a large number of air-to-air missiles. The F-15E Strike Eagle is assigned to precision strike missions. The F-16C/D remains a flexible platform. The F/A 18E/F Super Hornet sustains capability from the aircraft carrier fleet. In the air-to-air role, the AIM-120 AMRAAM enables beyond visual range engagements, while the AIM-9X handles close-range targets. When placed alongside Iran's fleet, consisting of F-14, MiG-29, and older variants, the difference lies in airframe age, sensor integration, and data networking. In the suppression of enemy air defense's mission set, the F-16 CJ Wild Weasel pairs with the AGM-88 HARM or the AOS AR-GM variant to track radar emissions. The EA-18G Growler specializes in electronic jamming, reducing the effectiveness of defensive systems. Alongside air superiority fighters, the United States also operates tactical support platforms at low altitude. The AC-130J Ghost Rider is a dedicated gunship equipped with a 30mm cannon, a 105mm howitzer, and precision-guided munitions, allowing sustained concentrated fire over a designated area. At the same time, the AH-64E Apache is an attack helicopter equipped with the Longbow radar and Hellfire missiles, designed to engage ground targets with high maneuverability. These two systems do not carry a strategic long-range role, but they create a flexible layer of firepower, particularly in littoral environments or complex terrain. A significant component of American power lies in its ability to conduct precision strikes from long distances. The Tomahawk, with a range of approximately 1,600 kilometers, can be launched from surface ships or submarines. Its terrain-following design enables it to approach targets with high accuracy. From the air, the AGM-158J ASSM and the AGM-158CL-RASM represent a generation of stealth cruise missiles with reduced detectability. In the guided bomb category, the JDAM kit allows conventional bombs to be converted into GPS-guided weapons, resulting in variants such as the GBU-31, GBU-32, and GBU-38. The SDB-1 and SDB-2 are more compact, yet allow larger quantities to be carried in a single sortie. The GBU-57 remains the option for hardened targets. Overall, the advantage lies in range, precision, and destructive power. At sea, the Strait of Hormuz holds strategic importance, and the American presence there is tied to carrier strike groups. The Ford class represents the newest generation. Its EMALS electromagnetic launch system, modern radar, and capacity to carry more than 70 aircraft turn it into a mobile airbase at sea. Meanwhile, the Nimitz class with decades of service, remains a cornerstone of the U.S. Navy, each ship carrying dozens of fighter aircraft and support helicopters. Surrounding the aircraft carrier is a layered defensive shield. The Arleigh Burke class, with more than 70 ships in active service, is equipped with the Aegis system, an integrated radar and fire control network. Sharing the fleet air defense role is the Ticonderoga-class cruiser, designed to function as a command center at sea. Beneath the surface, submarines play a particularly critical role. The Virginia-class SSN features advanced stealth design and cruise missile launch capability. The Los Angeles-class, although introduced earlier, remains operationally effective. Notably, the Ohio-class SSGN, converted into guided missile submarines, can carry more than 150 Tomahawk missiles per patrol. The fleet's arsenal includes the SM-2 and SM-6, dedicated to air defense and long-range interception. The SM-3 is assigned the ballistic missile defense role. In the opposite direction, the Harpoon and the Naval strike missile provide anti-ship capability. Iran fields coastal anti-ship missiles. The United States counters with Aegis and stealth submarines. Iran relies on large-volume firepower. The United States maintains surveillance and early warning networks to control the battle space. The E-3 Sentry, with its distinctive radar dome, can track hundreds of aerial targets at long distances. Its successor, the E-7 Wedgetail, employs a modern electronically scanned array radar, providing more flexible coverage. In the electronic signals domain, the RC-135 rivet joint specializes in collecting communications and radar emission data. The aircraft carries no bombs, yet plays a strategic intelligence role. Operating at high altitude is the U-2 Dragon Lady, a reconnaissance platform capable of flying above 70,000 feet. The balance depends on early detection and timely response. Losing early warning equates to losing advantage. Military power is firepower, and the ability to sustain operational tempo over extended periods. In the aerial refueling role, the KC-135 Stratotanker, with approximately 390 aircraft, forms the backbone of the support network. The newer KC-46 Pegasus is gradually replacing it with improved refueling systems and a modern cockpit. In strategic airlift, the C-17 Globemaster III can carry approximately 77 tons of cargo, from armored vehicles to helicopters. About 220 aircraft are in service. The ultra-heavy airlift category belongs to the C-5M Super Galaxy, capable of transporting the largest equipment in the American inventory. Alongside them, the E-11A BACN serves as an airborne communications bridge, ensuring units operating in complex terrain maintain connectivity. Beyond air and naval power, the United States also possesses highly mobile ground firepower. The HIMARS can be transported by C-17 and rapidly launch precision-guided munitions. Accompanying it is the ATACMS, a long-range tactical missile launched from the same platform. Not a large-scale force, but a flexible layer of firepower suited to the Middle East environment. Compared with Iran, the American advantage lies in deployment speed and the capacity to sustain long-term operations. Over many years, the United States has developed a multi-role drone ecosystem operating across multiple layers. In the category of systems with proven operational performance, the MQ-9 Reaper, with more than 300 aircraft in service, is a combined reconnaissance and strike platform, capable of flying for more than 24 hours continuously and carrying Hellfire missiles and precision-guided bombs. The Reaper enables persistent surveillance and precise response when required. Alongside it, the RQ-4 Global Hawk fulfills the role of wide area coverage at high altitude. With endurance exceeding 30 hours, it provides continuous battlefield imagery and data. In the stealth segment, the RQ-170 Sentinel is designed to reduce radar signature, supporting sensitive intelligence collection missions. In parallel is the XQ-58A Valkyrie, a low-cost unmanned aerial vehicle capable of carrying weapons and operating flexibly without extensive infrastructure. In the naval domain, the MQ-25 Stingray serves as an aerial refueling platform for aircraft operating from carriers, significantly extending combat radius. Iran stands out in the unmanned aerial vehicle scale. The United States maintains superiority in technology, stealth, and integration between drones and fighters. Iran emphasizes ballistic missiles. The United States builds a layered defensive shield to reduce risk. The Patriot PAC-3 is designed to intercept short and medium-range targets at a higher tier, as it is capable of destroying warheads during the mid-course phase. NASAMS protects fixed assets against aircraft and cruise missiles, while CRAM addresses artillery shells and rockets at close range. Beyond the mainland, Aegis ashore employs the same radar and fire control architecture as naval vessels. The system integrates with the SM-3 missile, designed to intercept targets outside the atmosphere. The difference does not rest on a single device, but on a multi-layered structure in which each layer addresses a different phase of the flight trajectory. At the highest tier of the balance of power lies strategic deterrence capability. Approximately 400 LAOG M30G Minuteman. 3 intercontinental ballistic missiles remain on alert in silos across the United States. Beneath the oceans, submarines carry the Trident II D5, providing response capability from concealed positions. In the air domain, the B-6112 guided nuclear bomb is integrated across multiple platforms. In the future, the AGM-181 LRSO long-range cruise missile will replace the older generation with improved stealth capability. The systems just described primarily represent capabilities that can be rapidly deployed in a short-term conflict. In reality, the American arsenal is broader and deeper, extending from space and global networks to strategic deterrence layers. The recent development, in which Iran's supreme leader was eliminated, illustrates the level of severity any escalation could bring. Nevertheless, above all, what people in the region and around the world seek is stability and the end of tensions. In your view, will this balance lead to deterrence or continued confrontation? Share your perspective, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel to continue exploring the arsenals of other nations with us.